all, today's video will be about how can I use Cake to learn English, and also what's special about it.
Let's get ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
Here we are in Cake. We have many videos taught in different fields. Let's choose one of them. You see, there is subtitle. The important thing is that they're blue one. You should put it here. Stay with me to know why.
I would love to hear you play. I would love to hear you play. Now gather around, everybody. Our resident musician has a wonderful song to share. Presenting. Oh, no need to be shy now. All you need is a supportive push.
Ice Bear will play Twinkle Star.
You're doing great, honey. It sounds beautiful.
I would love to hear you play. Here, like you see, there is tests, different
Whose
tests.
instrument is this? Now whose instrument is this? Now whose instrument is this? Now whose instrument is this?
Practiced in years. Ice Bear hasn't practiced in years. Ice Bear hasn't practiced.
Hi, how's it going? I'm Nicole.
Pretty good. My name's Ryan. I'm from Canada. And you? Brazil. I went to Brazil last year.
Really? Wow. Did you travel?
No, I went with friends. It was fun. Listen, I'm ready to go.
Here, the sentences that are present in the exercise are the same as the blue that you were recording before. As for here, there are the stars that you were collecting when you played these challenges and tests. I hope you like it. Do not forget to publishing my videos, subscribe and activate the bell. Thanks. See you after.